If you're building a SaaS or online business from outside the US, you'll likely hit the same wall I did. Payment limitations, banking friction, less credibility, and growing complexity as you scale. I solved this by setting up my SaaS Master LLC with Doola. They handle everything in one place: LLC formatting, bookkeeping, US banking taxes, and even e-commerce analytics straight in the platform. So instead of figuring it all out for myself, I use Doola to set this up properly. So let me go ahead and show you what you can expect with Doola so you can get started right away to build your LLC from being outside of the US. In my case, I'm in Mexico and I have my SaaS Master LLC set up with them. Okay, so this is Doola, and you can get started by checking out their pricing plans right here. Be aware that I'm going to provide a discount here in the description, so go ahead and check out that coupon code. Now they have 3 available plans, from the starter to a business in a box option. If you just want to launch your LLC and have a US banking account to start offering your services with the LLC, go ahead and check out the starter plan. It's going to include the LLC, the EIN number for the tax ID, the guidance to open up a US bank account, US business address, and registered agent service, which is the best option to get started if that's just what you need or your business is just about to launch. And if you already have a business that's solid and you want to go ahead and scale it with the LLC, then go ahead and check out the plan for tax and compliance, and the best plan of all, which is business in a box. So if you want to get your back office handled by Doola, this is the best option. That way you can focus on scaling your business and obviously make more money. So this plan offers way more than the other plans. Everything in the tax and compliance plan, plus a dedicated bookkeeper, which is a big deal if you ask me, especially if you don't want to handle those manually or by your own. That's a great option. Monthly finance statements, bookkeeping and taxes synced, estimated quarterly taxes. Now let me show you the differences between these plans, because you'll find that business in a box is a fantastic option. Now see here, you get some options on tax and compliance which are mostly similar to the business in a box, but they differ once you head a bit down here. So once you head down here, which is a big deal, it's the monthly quarterly closing. That's included in business in a box, plus a dedicated bookkeeper. That is a fantastic deal if you ask me, because if you pay independently or external bookkeeper, that's going to cost you a lot of money. And if you plan to do it manually by yourself, that's going to take you several hours and even days to take care of that. So check out these plans and decide which one is the best fit for you. Now let's go ahead and jump into our Doola dashboard. Now this is a demo account that I'm going to show you what you can expect inside of here and how you can manage your business with the help of Doola. So right now I am located in the dashboard and I'm able to view that all my account is set up right now. So in this case, it's an account that it already went through the process of filing the LLC, and we have the EIN approval. So in this case, that's what I have on my account because it's approved. And you can go ahead and download your EIN letter right here in case you need a tax number to use it for your registration for bank account or any other purposes that you might need. So in this case, it's a complete and set up done process in this case. Now I can set up my Mercury account straight with them, but I also can't open a bank account somewhere else because I already have the tax ID. It's just optional, but Mercury is a great platform to use in combination with Doola. So you have your main dashboard, you have your company details over here. So you got your main information for the full name, the email that's tied to this account where you can send those emails. You got your company details straight from here, who is the responsibility party, and all the members in this specific LLC. I can also view my compliance, my annual reports, straight from here, and view all my documents. Why is this important? Because Doola is going to store all your documents so you can locate them whenever you need them. So it's a great option that they provide right here. Then I also have the option to view the documents here by category. So I can view company documents, the business and compliance, the bookkeeping documents, the taxes, business mail, registered agent, and uncategorized. So it even organizes my documents right here. And if I need to download them, just go ahead and do so right here. So it's easy and practical to view documents straight from the Doola account right here. Then we have the compliance dates where I can view all the compliance as a date right here. I can view previous tasks here if I need to view them. In this case, it's just a demo account, remember? Then I have my taxes tab here in the menu where I can view my tax preparations. So in this case, it's in progress. I can upload documents straight from here. And again, depending on the plan that you're on, you can have that done for you. For example, you have the one-on-one consultation for tax consultation in the tax and compliance, or the business in a box, which includes bookkeeping, taxes synced. So you have those available options here. Then we have our bookkeeping. For the transactions, we can view them right here. So in this case, let me go ahead and show you this test transaction. Here we go. Here's an income, and we got the date, basic details for this. I can even upload the receipt to keep my expenses and incomes all registered right here. And if I need to add a new one, just click on the plus button and I can set this. It's going to be an income or an expense. So it's practical to keep your expenses organized. Then I have my invoices. So here we go. I can create a brand new invoice straight from inside here of Doola. So I can set this up right here, set up the client, select the client, add the dates. Is it going to be a one-time, monthly, weekly, yearly, etc.? And set up that invoice right here. So it's really practical to have that inside of Doola. We have reports available here. So cash flow reports, profit and loss, balance sheets, trial balances, and you can view these right here. Then you have your charts of accounts to view a quick overview of what's going on in these accounts. We have analytics too, to view the order for the analytics. For the analytics, I can set the filter for the orders. I can have a quick view of all the orders, the inventory, the finances, and the ads. And I can even use AI to chat with the specific details that I might need. There's also the service tab right here where I can view what plan I am on and what services are included in my plan. So I can see that I have all these available services to take advantage here in Doola. Now be aware that they also have an AI built into this, which can help you get started with details that you might have doubts about. For example, what documents do I need for my annual report? This is just an example. I can send this off and the AI is going to respond to me, and it's going to respond to me based on my business. So it's not just like copy and pasting this on ChatGPT or Gemini, where it doesn't have an idea of what's going on. In this case, it knows my business and it knows what I need to file. So it knows that this LLC is in Wyoming, and when I need to file this, I can even ask it for more details, and it's based on my business. So it's really practical and useful to use the AI here on Doola. So what are you waiting for? Sign up right now for Doola and launch your LLC without having to be in the US. Take me, for example, I'm in Mexico and I have my SaaS Master LLC launched with Doola. So I hope you like this video. Please let me know here in the comments what you think about Doola and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.